meeting tomorrow. I completely forgot. I need to prepare now.
Wish you were here, meeting tomorrow?
There, perfect. Now you can see everything. For him. I've got to go now. Geese. Out the door. Oh no! Hurry! Gotta make it! Ah! Whew, that was close. Okay, glasses straight, ribbons perfect. There you go, little bear. Where is it supposed to be? This doesn't make any sense. I made it. Just in time. I knew you'd come back.
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Here, take this. Thank you.
Thank you, I really appreciate it.
Wow, it's a teddy bear with glasses and a beard, just like me.
Do you like it?
I thought you might need this. Thank you, it's perfect.
Thank you, it's perfect.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I wish it didn't have to end like this.
Me too.
I'll miss this. Yeah, I will too.
Look, it's perfect there.
It really is. Now it feels like home.
I think this needs a bit of spice.
Here you go.
Dinner's ready.
Dinner's ready. Thanks. It smells great. You make everything seem possible.
And you make everything worth it.
I love you. I could stay like this forever.
Me too. It's perfect.
believe we're finally here.
It was worth every moment, don't you think?